Hi, Heather here. Just driving to work and had my roadside thoughts and wanted to talk about employee engagement. And the answer I believe I have discovered is key to revolutionizing employee and human engagement. And I think it starts with the connection between man and woman and getting back to the basics and the true respect for one another and what we have to offer. Because when we have that respect, we have it in our homes. When we have it in our homes, we have it in our workplaces. For example, the few times in my career where I had sexual advances from colleagues, those colleagues were married. If they had a respect for their woman at home, they would have never been doing that to me, which is an engagement practice at work that you never want happening at work, right? So both issues definitely need to be resolved. And then the same thing, for example, you've got an employee screaming down the hall at another employee. Okay, when, in what environment is that okay to scream at one another? Can't we figure out how to communicate in a positive and kind way without having to raise the level of our voice for the entire office to hear? Are we screaming in our homes? Why? We've got men and women everywhere crossing boundaries, frustrated with bosses, frustrated with spouses, frustrated with colleagues. We need to repair the lines of communication and just remember what it's all about. Living this life and loving the people that you're with. And if you don't, pivot so that you can start loving them again. Because simply the frustration isn't a lack of love for one another. It is a lack of movement into a direction that you need to go in so that you can respect one another again. Anyways, my 2 cents from the road. Peace, love, and happiness always. Heather here.